Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Deals here, and today we are going to talk about the project called Passive 15, okay? And of course we are going to do a scam check. So let me show you what this is all about. It says robotic investment trading utilizes automated systems to execute trades based on predetermined algorithms. And guys, now listen, they say you can make 25% daily for 5 days, okay? Let me just show you guys. If you could trade like this, let me show you. If you would have just $100, yeah, it's not a huge amount. If you would have $100 and you could make 25% daily, okay, after 2 months you would have, let me show you guys, $78,588,522, okay? If you would start with $100, just think about it, okay? If you could trade like this, or if they would have some trading system like this, if they would just start with $100, after 2 months they would have $78 million, okay? So why would they even make a homepage and ask you for your money, okay? Can you think about it? If they would just have this amount, yeah? So yeah, okay? Basically they say, yeah, 25% for 5 days. As always guys, we're looking for, has the contract been audited? Has the team been KYC'd? Is there a legitimate business model behind this, and so on, okay guys? So let's see. Until now, we don't see any white paper, yeah? As you can see here on top, no white paper. Let's go down here. No link to any white paper. So if they would have this amazing trading system, first of all, why would they offer this for you, for free, yeah? Because there's no fee, yeah? Basically, you can give them their money, you can give them your money, and they say they will give you 25% daily back, okay? In profits. But for what reason? If they don't have any fee, do you think these are the nicest people on the entire planet? Because with just $100 they can make 78 million after 2 months, and they want to offer you the same for no reason. I mean, for no fee, because they are so nice people. Think about it, okay? And if they would be so nice people, they would of course show their faces. I mean, if I would say, give me $100 and I can make you 78 million after 2 months, of course I want you to see my face and spread the great project around the world, and I'm such a generous person because I'm gonna make you rich, yeah? If this would be legitimate, why are they hiding, yeah? Of course, there hasn't been done any KYC, no names. This entire project, the entire homepage doesn't show you any name of any person behind the project, no picture, nothing, yeah? So if they would be so amazing and generous people, why are they hiding, yeah? So red flag. No white paper, second red flag. There is not even a contract address, so third red flag. And the next red flag, of course, the contract has not been audited because they don't even show you the contract. So just red flags, guys. To be honest, this is just another Ponzi scheme. It doesn't matter how they call it, passive 15, amazing 25, or I don't know, whatever. It's just a Ponzi scheme. That's why they also rely on people making videos about it. Let's say, you can see here, a referral system, 5% or 10%. They will get in rewards. So you will see a lot of people making videos about this, or some people, and they will say, yeah, it's a good project, just invest in it. But basically, it's a Ponzi scheme. That means if you invest in it, your deposit will be used to pay the rewards of existing users, okay? So you always need new users coming in and bringing you money in. Otherwise, they cannot pay the rewards of the existing users anymore. And anyway, at some point, they will just take all the money that's in the contract, rug pull it, and they are gone, So yes guys, as always, do your own research before you invest your own money. But to me, that's just a typical Ponzi scheme, and they will rug pull in a couple of hours or days or whatever. Okay guys, so that's my opinion. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.